Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will answer a question from Canva Tips and Hacks Facebook group, how to create this overlay background. So I will go to Canva, I will type Instagram here. I will choose Instagram post square, click the blank post. First I will change the background color to black and then go to element, add the element, go to edit, choose adjust and reduce the saturation to 0 and then increase the size and then go to transparency and set it to about 20, enter, and then add the other element, change it to white, and then you can add a title and enter the text here and then the logo here. So this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.